All right, you guys, how did you do on your numbers 1 through 15? I'm sure you did fantastic because you guys are super awesome. And then you guys did your patterns, and that's something you can keep working on your patterns when you're playing outside. You can find different things and make patterns, and when you're reading books, you can find patterns in the books. So these are all super important things for kindergarten. Today we get to talk about our number 15. So with our number 15, how many numbers does it take to make a higher number? Usually it takes 2 or 3 or 4, because remember, our numbers always go up. All right, so today we have an apple tree, and we have the number 1 and 5. So if we put those two numbers together, we have a bigger number, 15. All right, and so on my tree, we are going to talk a little bit about apples. So who remember when we did Johnny Appleseed Day? How many different colors of apples are there? You got it, there's 3. What colors? You're so smart. You got it, red, yellow, and green. Okay, so what we're going to do is you can make a colorful apple tree by maybe choosing your favorite type of apples that you like to eat, or you can just do them all one color. So on the apple tree, we have our numbers. So this will help you to write your numbers. So if you want, you could make a 3-color pattern. You could go red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green on the different numbers. So again, you can do anything with patterns. When we have a bigger number, we usually have more objects that we need to count. So in counting, to make sure that we end up with the right number, we need to point to the object and count. So Miss Kim's not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's 8 apples. But wait a second, that's not my number 8. So this is why we touch and count. So here we go, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you did awesome on your counting. And that's a really good time to practice your teen numbers, because a lot of kids, when they count, they usually go 11, 15, 16, sometimes 11, 12, 13, 14. They can get jumbled up. So this is a good counting exercise. So once you color or make patterns with your apple, then you're going to come down here, and you guys know the drill because you guys are smart. So we're going to trace it, trace it, trace it, trace it, trace it, and then we're going to write it, and write it. Okay, and who remembers on our number 5? It's like a big fat snowman belly. So just remember, because sometimes with the different angles, you can get confused and write it backwards. So on the number 5, remember, it starts up at the sky, you go across, you stop, you go straight line down, and then you're gonna stop, and then what do you say? Fat snowman belly. If we did our fat snowman belly on the back, we would give our snowman a bum. So you want to remember that the belly goes in front. Okay, so that is our number 15. And when you come back, what we're going to do is we are going to work on syllables. So the next paper you're going to need is this paper right here. And we're going to go through the syllables with the months of the year. Just a little quick review. Let's do the days of the week, because so far this week, you guys, we've reviewed our numbers, our letters, rhyming words, we've done patterns, today we're doing syllables, and then there's lots of other things. You guys have your same and different down. You guys guys are really good on your opposite. And you guys are so smart at the Pledge of Allegiance. So, anyways, I'm just super proud of you. All right, okay, go do your number 15 and then come back and we'll get ready for syllables.